welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ivy Mulanda, and on today's video I have something very interesting to show you. I know you can tell by the title what I want to do, so I just continue. Okay, on today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own facial scrub at home with the most available products and ingredients, not products really, with the most available ingredients that you can find. I have different ways of making scrub. Today I'm going to show you one way, and then later on I might shoot other videos to show you how to make scrub using other ingredients, but I know this one works for almost everybody. So if you want, you can use this one. I'll do another and another and another of how to make your own scrub. And if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. Subscribe, share, like, comment, click the notification bell. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to show you how I'm making my own scrub, and so follow up. I'll just Kizungu. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to make it. I'm just going to flip my camera down. Yeah. Hope you can see everything, guys. Hope so. So I have my facial scrub here. Scrubber, not scrub really. Facial scrubber here. My wet wipes. My sugar. As you can see, this is sugar. I have my lemon over here. My night cream. I'm not using this one right now, and then I'll apply this later. So I have honey here. Natural. You can see the way it is thick. It is natural, not haijapitia kwa factory yoyote, so it's very pure. This is my milk. Hope you can see it. You just use a small amount of milk and all that. This is like a small plate where I'm going to mix all my ingredients to form scrub. First and foremost, I will start with honey. Let me start with honey. I'll just use, okay, this too thick. So I'll use this 1 teaspoon of honey. Hope you can see, guys. Next, I'm going on sugar because I'm using the same spoon of milk. Sugar. This is my sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix. Guys, this one is already scrub. You can use this only. It works. But since I have all this, then I have to use them. Okay, next I'm going to use milk. Use 1 teaspoon of milk. Don't use too much milk. Then lemon. I will just do this to prevent using a lot of it. So guys, this is my mixture over here. You can see that it is small. So I'm just going to apply it on my face. So guys, I'm done making my scrub. I want to apply it on my face. First of all, as I stated on the previous videos, Make sure you cleanse your face using wet wipes or a cleanser, or rather you can wash your face using warm water. I'm using wet wipes. I put on this because of the hairline. I don't want the scrub to be on my hairline, so I need to do this. Only Instagram, baby. So I've wiped my face already, and so next I'm going to apply scrub.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me.
Avoid the eye area, guys. I think I've said this so many times.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming.
So I'm going to stay with this scrub for like 10 minutes and then I rinse it out or wipe it out. Whatever we'll choose. Let's meet in 10 minutes. So guys, it's been 10 minutes and I want to go and rinse this out with warm water. My water is already boiled. So I'm going to rinse this out and then I'll be back. I'm doing it off camera. I'll be back. Oh, again, you can use your wet wipes, but you know me, I prefer rinsing it out with some water. So give me 2 minutes and then I'll be back. Guys, as you can see, I'm back. I'm done rinsing my face. Yeah. I'm all glowing. Oh, I forgot to mention my soap. I used aromatherapy as always. I saw no need of telling you again. I'll be overdoing. So I used aromatherapy as my bar soap as I was rinsing. So next I'm using Nivea night cream. Just going to apply it. As you can see, I'm all glowing and glowing and glowing. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope you've learned something. I hope you will scrub your faces now. And please subscribe, share, like, comment, click the notification bell so that when I post another video, you'll be updated. And for now, it's a bye-bye.